Pickleball lessons today. Holy Week with the fam. Today we're going to learn a new sport. Pickleball time.
And then, yes. When you take it here, dapat tamaan yung ball, when you hold the paddle, usually. Kasi your left, no? So you make sure na yung
Pickleball lessons today. Let's see how I'll do.
So, ito yung nice practice. Yan, exactly. Yan, parang ganun, right? So, kanina, ginanon mo lang, Frankie. So, ganun lang yung drill. Yan.
What are they doing? So this weekend, my siblings are here and we're all cooking. So kanya-kanyang luto. Danny and Ron are cooking panga. Tuna panga. This is my sister Danny and her boyfriend Ron and my sister Isa. And it's Luca Boy.
Nabahuan siya.
Do you like the smell? Ron is going to make kinilaw. And thank you for grilling the panga.
Show the ano.
Oh, this is the kinilaw.
One of the best pastas I make.
Yeah, Isa nga said this is her fave. So I'm excited. And I am going to make my usual hoisin sauce. Ikaw na lang magsabi ano dinner natin tonight.
So for tonight's menu is we have tuna panga, adobong kangkong, tama? I don't know.
Well,
Kangkong in hoisin sauce, kinilaw in whatever. And then we have tinapa, toasted tinapa. This is like what is this? Creamy, garlicky, shrimpy pasta. Then this is first time ever, kamote tops.
Salad.
Apparently, it's not kangkong. Now we know.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm so alam mo na ngayon.
Okay, let's eat, guys. Is everyone ready to eat?
Happy Good Friday!
Happy Good Friday.
What a good Friday. Baby, pretend to be a baby.
Baby!
A wild baby.
Is that what the baby does?
Is that what Ayla does?
Is baby Ayla like that?
Ano, Frankie?
Beb.